Hanggang hindi ko alam kung darating ba yung araw na mag-aayos ako para sa vlog. Pero...
Falling through the cracks 暗闇へ落ちてくあなたのその手を絶対離さない Tell me the story of your life まだ道の途中あなたを私は絶対諦めない抑えられない
Maybe soon, pero hindi today. Obviously. Oh, I need my... Go to class.
Sure.
Baba ako.
Nakasa mo na ba yan?
And then we're gonna meet Sam later. Hindi man lang si Kuya can send us sa Sam. Pero aesthetic sana ng place, hindi lang ako aesthetic. Tingnan niyo naman. Parang yun yung thesis kasi entrep yung course ko. Kailangan namin magkaroon ng operational na business para pumasa. So natapos ko na yun, nagawa ko na. Tapos ngayon meron kaming business in Plem 2. Pwede naman namin continue yun or pwede kami mag-iba. Ngayon, parang gusto ko siyang iba yung gawin. So yan, share ko sa inyo guys. So may tinatayo kami ni Ate Nix. So gagawa kami ng pickleball court tsaka ng cafe. Sa pickleball, parang decided na kami, Sky Court yung pangalan. Kasi guys, sa rooftop namin siya lalagay. So umuulan na. Pero wala na akong kamay kasi hawak-hawak ko kayo, hawak-hawak ko to. Kaya tinitiis ko na huwag magpayo. So pag nagkasakit ako, kasalanan ko. Pickleball pending name namin is Sky Court. Tapos cafe naman, iniisip ko pa baka Brew Skies. Cute. Tapos tawag namin sa inyo mga brewskis. Mag-uniform pa ako. Wala pa ako yun.
Hey, Tim. He did a lot of work with Sir Series Schools. He did a lot of work for the individual.
Ano tama ba?
So he would
Ano yung natatry?
Hindi pa.
directly question
I woke up.
innovators.
Went straight to class.
Kapatid ka.
Identities.
Nakarating na ako. Ano
It's
yun?
the best for now.
Ito yan.
It's an incubation center also.
Napakita ko na sa'yo yan.
Oo.
So,
So, magdadagdag ka ba ng ano dun sa kanto? Hindi.
Oo, maglalagay ako ng parang billiards. Lalo.
How many cars do you have?
Five. Oh wait, how many ba yun? 1, 2, 3, 4, tapos isang private. Yung...
And so what's your perfume?
You like it?
Yeah.
Oo. Kasi may nail tech kami. Sabi,
Okay,
kaya tayo for ano, baka gusto. Yung 500k, yung maganda, yung tatuhan. Yung mga Lamorzoco, yung mga Sanremo. Tapos kailangan tupat.
Bili na kayo, guys.
Ganto, magbenta kang ganto sa Drizzle Chicken. Ay, bili naman kayo ng Elora. Okay, mag-gym lang ako, tapos mag-film out din ako for a brand. Pero ito na yung kwarto ko. Baka walang kwenta kung mag-vlog, no? Napakabiglaan. Room tour bigla, wala naman naghihingi ng room tour.
Like, for some reason, I couldn't spell social. Like, nauna yung like...
This is good. Who gave this to you?
You can give that to me. That was also mine.
Who did this?
Mine. That was mine.
Can you try this? This is low-key. Mababa ko sa final sa ano? I got 80 out of 100.
I have one where it's like 30-something out of 100. Where it's same
Ha?
subject.
30 out of 100?
Same subject.
That's so low.
No, but I was the highest.
Did you fail?
But I was the highest. In Quiza,
Ilan ba kayo? 2? Salita.
no, it's my lowest score, but it's the highest lowest score. Pero nung bumawi ako sa susunod, hindi yung first ko 86 yata or 84.
Mac and cheese.
Oh. Hindi ba ramyun yan? Ay, hindi ko yan. So, 55 pala. Sorry. But it still failed.
Naiinis ako. Sinabi ko sa head ng class. and prof. Okay. Sir, top 1 ako sa entry pero ni certificate ni anything wala akong na-receive. That's crazy.
Pero meron tayo na index card po.
Multiple choice yan.
Hindi. Like, you get like problems and then you solve them. Ay, di naman ba naman?
Go try.
Kasi di ko na in-acknowledge. Suligan. O sige kayo na po. Basta sa akin yung dating. Eh, Monday, finals na. So, there's no, we have to.
You want me to chop it for you?
No, may na-chop na.
I'll chop it for you.
May na-chop na.
I'll chop more.
Wow!
I'm not gonna finish
We reached this part. These guys
Time for some more.
Good afternoon.
May dumating.
So for our session today, we'll just continue, and then we considered get bigger multiples, and you also learn how to get products of matrices.
Pag hindi kayo nag-phone, you get free dessert.
I can do that.
Okay guys, dahil
Dapat hindi mo binibidyo yan.
wala kaming phones, kaya wala kaming
My phone
phones.
I've never seen him cry. I don't think he's cried. He's cried in anime.
I cried in a
I cried
Daniel and
when
kanina lang.
Ace died. Not
When I entered the room, you
Ace
cried.
from One Piece.
Yeah, when I entered the room, he was
Who's
crying.
the best at saving money?
That means who's kuripot, guys. That's
I
by
was
the
gonna
way.
say that. It must be Enzo.
It's most like to say they're full then eat again.
1, 2, 3, go.
Dessert.
Who eats dessert before a meal? 1, 2, 3, go. Not me.
Sometimes you do
I
it.
never eat dessert
There
before a
was this
meal.
one time you made me eat something sweet before we ate lunch.
Like that, no.
Okay, Kuya Vince, who's
It
it?
has the cheese full.
Who's it? You have to listen to it.
I'm trying to listen.
Sino to? Sino to? Sino to? Social ah.
I,
That's me, bro.
we know that.
Ano?
Some Angry Dobo by Miss Juday.
Let's open it, right?
Actually, hindi ko lang kung sarap siya or dahil fan lang ako ni Juday.
Do you want a plate? Chloe?
¿Dónde está la...
Rumble. Guys, so sorry hindi na ako nakapag-update. Surprise! Nandito na ako sa Pampanga. Lalaro tayo ng pickleball. Actually, hindi naman talaga ako mag-vlog pero nakita ko kasi yung camera ko nandito sa bag. So, might as well, sama ko na kayo. Na doon, abangan nyo, meron tayong cafe dyan na ilalabas tsaka pickleball. So, rooftop siya. So, ang ganda ng view, kitang-kita nyo si Mount Arayat. Pero siguro baka kabandang Feb pa yun tsaka March. First time ko maglalaro ng open play. So, tingnan natin kung bobo ba ako. So, naka-open play siya ngayon pero di pa ako naglalaro. First time ko mag-open play. Chillin'.
Si Edward nasan?
Guys, so Christmas party. Hindi ko na kayo na-update na naman. So kung di ko nasabi sa inyo, business partners na kami ni Ras. So gumawa kami ng business. So friends pa rin kami, pero nag-upgrade. Business partners na kami. Ito yung food natin. So thank you so much sa Makimura. Ayan. Grabe, sushi, tempura, ang sarap. Tapos ito, Doña Arceli, Kuya Ace. Ayan siya. So, Makimura, guys, please check them out. Dito lang sila sa San Fernando. Guys, so lumiwanag na.
Alwala siya pa, alwala siya pa. Walang magtutulakan. Kakasabi lang kanina, 500 yung presyo. 500 yung premyo, 1.5 yung pang-hospital nyo. Wala pa yun. Hindi pa nag-iayusan na namin yung speaker. Wait lang, hindi sila pantay dyan. Ba't hindi kayo pantay dyan? Mataba sila. Go!
Filipino? Yung Filipino ba dito? Beba? There's Chinese there.
I don't think I want Chinese. Because we just had pork. Kaya sabi ko, hindi na end up with tayo.
Go.
What do I get?
Tapos we got iced tea from Flower Boy. Sakto lang siya, hindi siya masyadong masarap.
Well, my preference is here.
Kaya yan,
No,
ganyan
it's
lang.
not. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna give you what you want. Ano daw?
Hindi ko lang. Lala siya. Magsuka siya, kinit niya sa mouth niya.
Uy, hindi. Sinot ko siya sa water bottle.
Magsuka siya. Did you swallow it?
Hindi ko rin sinok. Pwede sinot ko nga siya sa amin.
What did it taste like?
Ano what did it taste like?
Your suka. How long did you keep it in your mouth? 5 minutes?
Oo ka. Sabi ko,
Yeah, like 5 minutes.
hindi yung 5 minutes.
Five-
Mabilis lang
5 minutes siya lang.
Oo ka mag 5 minutes. Wala mang 1 minute.
Ew, that's so
That's
gross.
not 5 minutes. It was just
It like marinated in your mouth.
Walo ka, 1
Oh,
minute.
let's get my shomai.
Sige, subukan mo subukan. Pupupugin talaga kita.
Laki kaya. Guys, ito po.
Magkano yan?
This is 360.
For 4 pieces of shawmai?
It's big. It's jumbo. Hi guys! Nag-vlog ako ate. Sam, hi ka sa vlog.
Link ka na? Nakita ko yung genset, may picture mo sa ano. Sabi ko,
Galing, galing.
May the Lord bless all those who have come here to went of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Thank you.
Santa Maria. Wala
GP Mall, GP Mall. Santa Maria branch.
Wala pa sa Google Maps, di ba? I-Google nyo na lang. This is Kuretico. How is it? How is it? Kaya pa guys. Saya. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa surprise wedding party ni Russell sa parents niya. Tapos papakita ko na rin sa inyo guys yung update. Nakwento ko ba sa inyo gumagawa kami pickleball court ni Ate Nix tsaka cafe doon sa pickleball court. So update ko kayo. Nag-vlog ako. Deep in my life.
Hi!
Sa ko po.
May pa-picture ko. Oh, sige, ito yung ating.
Harapan lang po kayo. Ilang... Thank you, Sir Ball. And now, a dance of gratitude.
Sabi ko na eh.
With your loving...
So yan guys, bumili ako ng dehumidifier tsaka air purifier. Kasi feeling ko, madalas ako nagkakasakit dahil... So gumawa si Chloe ng lentil soup kasi nga may problema na siya sa kanyang gallbladder. Guys, so pag-pray niya si Chloe, chef.
That's all healthy, by the way.
Chef ka.
Like everything that, it's good for like it's high fiber.
Alam mo, sobrang Chloe, nakakaiyak. Hindi alam ng parents niya na may kasal, surprise. Surprise.
So what were they wearing?
Hindi, sinabi lang ni Russell photoshoot daw, gano'n. So parang surprise siya, tapos gusto niya yung same day din. Tapos parang sobrang nakaka-proud siya. guys. Guys, ito na siya. So big. Dito yung cafe. Ayan guys, tignan niya. Saan nga? Dito yung entrance natin. Tapos, ito yung ito niya. On the floor. And then, dito banda yung ito may parang private court sa cafe. And then, ito na ba na ayun na wala yan sa nabla. So, yun na para mag-match sa beds. Ito guys, karinderya. May bilyaran din dito, tapos karinderya. Nandito kami sa ano ngayon? Courtside. Hakone ko lang. Binayaran mo yun.
Binayaran pa daw. Binayaran pa rin.
Hindi libre yan, binayaran mo. Ay, it's not matching pala. When's the save the date? When is it?
Save the date?
Will you announce it here?
Ay, wala pa.
Wala pa. Wala pa.
My life has been so hectic.
Yeah.
Plan anything.
I'll plan it it for you.
Okay.
If it's ugly, it's not my fault.
He's my man of honor.
Okay guys, ito ang aming pang-grad shoot. Okay, tara na.
Hindi totoo nga, natawa lang ako sa'yo. Ngayon mo lang yan nalaman. Nagwapo ka.
Talaga ba? Go, ang dami mong gamit. Okay, grad pic. Chloe, let's go. Agenda guys, balik kami Manila. May class lang ako, late na ako actually. Tara kayo rin. Ako sa kabila. Chloe, tara na, late na ako. Okay, haven't been here. First time kong bumalik. Lang ako, mimit ko lang yung prof ko guys. Para makipag-consult. Hi, Miss! Sir Lito, the best prof sa Enderon. Sabi, ina-advise ko sila, sir, na kung gusto nila sa Enderon, they need to talk to people. Kasi it's really about who you know, diba? Graduate na ako. Miss mo ako?
Graduate ng favorite.
Bye-bye! Okay lang ka next year pa. Naunahan ka ni Chloe, di ba sabay lang kayo?
Eh, sino ba kasi nag-overload ng 27 uni?
Hindi ka nag-overload. Mag-grad pick na kami ngayong Sunday.
Ay, we?
Yeah.
Hi, guys!
Grabe no, miss. Miss niyo ako.
Parang dati nagreklamo lang.
Gusto niyo miss mag-hi kayo, miss?
Hi!
Ang angels ko sa Enderon, sila miss. Yes.
Miss, lagyan mo daw siya ng
Sila ang anghel sa akin dito. Gabby's Bakery.
No!
Ano?
Hindi,
Sabihin mo
okay
na.
Hi, guys!
Baka
For fun lang yan.
Hana chocolate. Ikaw nag-bake?
Secret.
Okay, so nandito kami. Nasaan tayo? Mitsuyato Izakaya. Then,
Kasi, hindi ka muna papasok sa school.
si Mondragon.
Yeah.
Sam. Where's the soy sauce? There.
Guys, may something.
Yung pala siya.
Hindi na makita. Torched.
Okay guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa... And then ayan, bigla akong napashopping dito sa Lacoste for pickleball. Parang sobrang galing. Dalawa na pong banana pudding. Ma'am, pwede pa try yung salted caramel? Na-try ko lang, di ako bibili.
Hindi mo siya narinig? Kadulog ko na isa lang yung
Ina mo. Okay, let ate pick. Let ate pick.
Wait lang, suscoop niya muna yung pistachio ko.
Pero nagbayad ako ng libre kanina.
Hindi ka na card.
Is it mine?
It's meant to be, I guess.
So, let's see. If the price is
Wait
right.
lang, ba't nakaangat yung camera?
Meron.
He wants a laptop
Pero sila na
sleeve.
eh. I want the laptop sleeve.
Man.
Guys, dalawang camera yung pinaparecord niya sa akin.
This guy's consumerism.
Consumerism Performative Male Final Boss.
Gano'ng karami? 3 letters.
Question, kung meron ako ganito, dito na lang.
Bakit kasi nasa akin LPC?
LPC! Ba't di ka mag-LPC? Lorenzo Philip Kaluwag.
Halos same price lang pala. No? Ito sa Taiwan yata or States, 67K. So almost the same.
I have to give up.
So how much is nice?
Huh?
Which one?
This one? Parang I like this one. Or this one.
Yung middle, for bagay matching.
Ba't ba ako bumili ng Lacoste? Sino I bought Lacoste kasi sabi ko hindi ako bibiling Rimowa?
Ikaw yung naglakos, hindi naman ako. Rimowa yung inaano. Hindi mo makita dito?
Deserve ko ba ito?
Yeah, you do. Gendo. You're right.
What's wrong?
Banali ko na medyo nakaka what the fuck. Napabili ako ulit. For no reason. Chloe, why am I shopping for no reason? You spent 10k naman pala sa alo, no? Yan, Valentine's Day today, guys. Kamakain lang kaming brunch. Free donut.
Pwede na natin sa Instagram.
Sabi mo thank you.
Thank you. Mas hard. Tapos
Kasi tataka ka, wala kang gawa. Hey guys, so pumunta kami ngayon sa SM Aura. Magupit kami for grad shoot. Thank you, sir. Okay, let's go, Chloe. Look at our hair, Chloe. Show the hair. Ready? Gusto mo ba yung hair mo? Do you like your hair?
wala akong makeup yan.
Naglalakad kami papunta school, dala-dala yung outfits namin. So parang corporate uniform, creative fit, which suit ko na ngayon. Wala kang blazer? So that explains the blazer in this blazing heat.
For filing lang naman. Pangat ko sila.
あな心を照らすものは何叫び続ける光とどこまで Falling through the cracks 暗闇へ落ちてくあなた
Subscribe kayo sa channel ko.
Sir, napapanood ko kayo, sir, eh. Kaya magkakapatid, sir.
あなたを私は絶対諦めない抑えられない衝動何気ない日々は愛情懐かしい風に振り向けばいつでもあなたの声がするよ I don't wanna run
Patapos pa lang siya, tapos second, ano na. Mag-retouch ba ako, ma'am, or okay na to? Hey, how are you? Are you graduating na?
Yeah. Well, that's why we're here.
Yeah. Nag-shoot ka na? Nag-shoot ka na? Di ba?
We're next.
Yeah.
あなたのその手は絶対離さない Tell me what is on your mind 果てしない夢を追いかけ僕らは絶対諦めない答えのない人生にくじけそうになるけど Give it up, give it up, turn it upside down 心はつながってるよたとえ遠く離れても共に共に生きていこう
And don't forget mag-TikTok tayo. Hindi ko lang mag-live ako. Joke lang.
Our livesは輪に動ける道しても戻るよりマシよたとえ間違っても無駄じゃないから迷わずに進めその手を空にかざせ Oh yeah, falling through the cracks 暗闇へ落ちてくあなたのその手を絶対離さない Tell me the story of your life まだ未知の途中あなたを私は絶対諦めない答えのない人生に迷ってばかりだけど Give it up, give it up, turn it upside down 心はつながってるよたとえどこまでも共に共に生きていこう
TikTok break.
DJ the best. DJ the best.
その手を接待離さない Tell me what is on your mind 果てしない夢を追いかけ僕らは絶対諦めない答えのない人生に口消そうになるけど Give it up, give it up
Ay, hindi. Alam ko na. Hindi yung...
Parang baka nakatingin sa mga.
Ilagay mo sa whiteboard, future attorney. Tapos picture ka ganun.
That's witty.
Tignan nyo guys, look at me. Tignan nyo ako. Wow. Okay. Tapos hanapin natin si Chloe. Si Chloe pero ako pa rin eh. Ito naman si Chloe. Very attorney.
Then you have to select one photo per
Meron na po siya.
Chloe, this? Or
44.
this? 43, 44, or 33?
33, I think?
33 ito? Talaga?
But that's just me. I don't know.
Tawagan natin si Sam. Ang hirap naman. Or 32?
Watch.
So 32.
For me, 33.
Pick.
Hindi ka ba sumasang-ayon sa sinasabi ko?
Hurry up. Kunwari unang tingin.
Oh. Loki 32.
32. Okay guys, ito yung di-display sa screen pag nag-graduate ako. Diba? Marami yun. Yun lang. Joke lang. Ito guys. Gawin naman ang mag-exam. Okay, hindi ka na. Pangit yan. Ayan, okay din yan. Mukha kang adult, Chloe.
12.
Chloe, mukha kang 24 dyan, promise. 11 is good, 11 is better. Pakita mo yung ilalagay mo. Ayun, ilalagay niya. Ganda yan.
Why is it white?
Yan, ang ganda.
Pero kung ginagasan ko, parang mabilis ako.
Maganda nga 81. Okay, thank you po ma'am. Okay, tapos na yung creative shoot namin guys. Thank you. Okay. Thank you ma'am. Tapos na sa grad shoot done. Ayun, pauwi na kami ng Pampanga. Mag-dentist muna ako, tapos Pampanga kami. Like, ang expect ko sobrang daming tao, pero ang bilis lang. I guess perks pag enduran kasi walang tao masyado. Dapat magmamanam kami.
Just gonna say that.
Pero masyado maraming tao, so dito na lang kami sa Nara. Papalaw po kami ng rides. This is our food.